Introduction to Integrated Science. Integrated science involves the teaching and learning of the natural science in a holistic manner such that none of the fields of science stands on its own. Science is gotten from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. Science is defined as a method of acquiring knowledge through observation and experimentation. It can also be defined as the search for explanation for the things we observe in nature through experimentation. Division of science. Science is divided into two broad groups, namely natural science, applied science. Natural science is the study of the natural world and its phenomena. It deals with the physical world. Branches of natural science. The following are the various subdivisions of natural science. Physics, it deals with the study of matter and energy, their behavior through space. Chemistry, it is the branch of science that deals or studies the composition, structure, properties and change of state of matter. Biology, it is a natural science concerned with the study of living and non-living organisms, including their structure and functions. Geology is a branch of science that deals with the physical structure and substance of the earth, their history and the processes which act on them. Astronomy, it is a branch of science that deals with space, celestial objects and the universe as a whole. Meteorology, it is a branch of science that deals with the phenomena of the atmosphere, especially weather and weather conditions. Applied science is the use of knowledge acquired or gained from natural sciences in a practical way. The fields of applied science include engineering, pharmacy, electronics, material science, information communication technology, agriculture, medicine. Note that all the various fields of science are closely related through the use of scientific methods of solving problems, and also principles and facts are interacted. How the scientists work. The world around the scientist is of a great interest to him or her, hence a good scientist has to acquire certain skills to enable him or her to work effectively and efficiently. These skills required by the scientist include observation, experimentation, analyzing results and data, making deductions and conclusions. Note that the work of the scientist is to find solutions to problems affecting the world. This is done through various scientific methods. Scientific methods. The scientific method is the systematic method used by scientists to solve problems. The scientific method involves the following: identifying the problem, making hypothesis, carrying out experiment, analyzing the results, making deductions and conclusions. How experiments are performed. The format for performing an experiment is outlined below. Title: this is the heading or caption of the experiment. Aim or objective of the experiment. Apparatus or materials to be used for the experiment. Methods to be used. Observation and recording of results. Deductions and conclusion. Importance of scientific methods. The scientific method has helped in the discovery of new and useful things, for example, discovery of oil. The scientific method has provided information on the existence of endangered species. The scientific method has provided knowledge that can be tested and verified. The scientific method provides a chronological and systematic procedure for arriving at knowledge. Misuse of scientific knowledge. The knowledge acquired in science is negatively used in the following ways. The manufacturing of electronic devices such as computers, robots have rendered a lot of people unemployed, thereby increasing the unemployment rate in countries. The Internet has been misused for defrauding innocent people. The knowledge of science has been used to produce some chemicals such as DDT, which some fishermen use for fishing. This negative use of this poisonous chemical is misuse. Sophisticated weapons have been produced for killing human beings in the event of war. Importance of science. The importance of science are as follows. Understanding science will help to properly manage and have a quality life. Science will help in the provision of basic needs of mankind, such as food, clothing and shelter. Science shows an accurate and better way of solving problems of nature. Science has helped to protect and appreciate the environment through good soil and water conservation practices. Science has promoted good health through the innovation of modern hospital equipment. Science and technology. Science and technology share a lot in common, however there are some differences between them. While science refers to the acquisition of knowledge through observation and experimentation, technology is the practical use of scientific knowledge. Difference between science and technology. The differences between science and technology are as follows. The principal product of science cannot be seen or felt. However, the product of technology can be seen or felt. Science can only be demonstrated, while technology can be purchased and utilized. Science can only be understood, but technology can be used without understanding its concept. The knowledge of science changes gradually, but changes in technology occur within a short time.